Hey everyone, welcome back. Is a Flex update stuck on waiting, failing to download, or simply not showing up in the App Store? Running an outdated Flex version is one of the top causes of login errors and payment screen freezes. Here's how to force it through. Open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Then, look for Flex in the list and tap Update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or the progress circle is frozen, go to your home screen, tap and hold the Flex app icon, pause to download, and then tap it again and tap Resume Download to kickstart it. If the update keeps failing, go to your Settings app, then go to General, iPhone storage, and make sure you have at least 1 GB free since updates fail silently when storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused apps, then retry. Also, switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings before retrying since App Store downloads sometimes stall on congested Wi-Fi networks. So, all you've got to do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck. Free up storage in settings, try mobile's data, and that's it. The Flex update will be completed. Subscribe.